How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, I wanted to go over some of our Carbine mini work lights here. So we have our micro carbines. Now our micro carbines are perfect for any toolboxes or anywhere you need a small accent or work light. Now we do offer these units in clear, which I brought a clear or white color example there. And then we offer red, and that's a red color example. And then we offer green, so there's the green there. And then we have blue, and then we also have amber. So you'll see that we offer these in amber, red, blue, green, and clear color options. And all of these units will have on-off functionality. And again, these are great for your wheel wells or toolboxes or anywhere else you need a small accent or work light. Now we also have our mini Carbine X work light, which I have here, and you'll get your light with your included bracket there. And you'll see that we offer this unit in clear, and you'll see that has floodlight optics. So you'll see right when the light leaves the housing of the unit that it will spread very wide. And that is another low profile work light option, and that's great for additional reverse light, or again, anywhere you need a small low profile accent or work light on your vehicle. And then again, on our micro carbines, you will get your included flange there as well, and you'll get your pole mount flange if you would like to pole mount those units. So you'll see between our micro carbines or our Carbine X, we do have mini work lights for any application. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.